To find a lab for your class, go to ilabcentral.org/radioactivity. Each of these sections of the page is a separate lab. All of them access a Geiger counter at the University of Queensland in Australia, and this mini-course is designed to show you how to use the web interface that controls this instrument. We're going to get to that interface a little bit later on in the course. At this point, look at the subject areas of each of these labs and choose the one that is the best fit for your class. For this video series, I'm just going to choose this cell phone radiation lab and work from there. It doesn't matter what lab you choose, the process and workflow will all be roughly the same for you. Once you've found the lab you want to use, just click on its title. This will bring you to the lab's student curriculum page. This includes a number of pre-lab activities and resources particular to the cell phone radiation lab. However, each lab has its own activities and resources listed. What they all have in common, though, is this Launch Lab button further down the page. Once you're ready to begin the remote lab, just click on the button. In the next video, we'll walk through the remote lab registration process.